Hello everyone, and welcome to Origin Programming. In this video, you're going to learn how to make a clicker game in Unity and C#. So I've already made the base of the project, and you should also import the TMP Essential resources because we're going to use a lot in here. So just to start with the UI, where we can add a canvas, let's just call this game, and then add a button. This will be like whatever thing you're trying to make in the clicker game, which in this case is a video. So we can probably remove this, and also we can actually keep this for now. I'll add some images later. And let's actually check. And we can also just add an empty object called Video Manager. We can add a script to it. We're gonna call this Video Manager. Create and add. Okay, so we can, for now, all we need is void, is just one more function, public void on video click. And then we can add like a public int, int videos, and then we can just write videos. Actually, we can set this to videos plus, and we're also gonna import Unity using Unity Engine dot UI, and then we can set this to public text mesh pro UI videos text. Videos text. And here we can just set that text is equal to videos plus doll videos. And this should be it for and then we can add something, an onClick event, and then oh yeah, TM Pro, and I think it's just this. And now we can try this again, and so now we have on video click, and we can add a new text videos text, and right, we can add a space here, so we can set this to just 0 videos. And we can then actually position some of this stuff. Okay, anyways, we can set okay, and we'll also put this in the middle just for consistency, and video a bit farther down. So now just the basics should work. So oh. Okay. So we just had to add the videos text. And now it's working. We can also add some anchors to make it fit on all screen sizes. So we can anchor the videos text on from the top center, and we'll put the videos button anchored from the bottom. So now when we resize it, right, this happened once before. Looks like it's different. So we can go to default. So we can move this a bit. We can position this a bit higher, and the video a bit lower. And then just wait again, and we can resize this however we want. Okay, well this is pretty bad, but we can fix that in a later video. And anyways, that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.